This is something you see continuously with Democrats. Like Los Angeles, New York City, D.C., Chicago, you name it. They want to do things that make them feel good about themselves, that do no actual good, and in fact will do harm to others. They don't care. It is a credo of narcissism and self-advancement that they espouse, and pretend that it's about other people, pretend that it's about historic injustice, social injustice, whatever it is that they're saying today. You know, the team at MyPillow has a new product and they help you sleep better. It's the 2.0 version of their first product, the original MyPillow. MyPillow 2.0 has the same patented adjustable fill of the original MyPillow, but now includes exclusive fabric that is made with temperature-regulating spray. It's perfect for folks that constantly flip their pillow during the night looking for that cool spot. Sarah and I have them on our bed right now, and you should have them on yours too, because guess what? They're offering a buy one, get one free deal. Use our names, Clay and Buck, as the promo code. You have to experience this upgrade to understand just how great it is. MyPillow 2.0 is 100% made in the USA, comes with a 10-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Go to MyPillow.com, click on the Radio Listener Special square, get a buy one, get one free offer on the MyPillow 2.0. Enter promo code Clay and Buck or call 800-792-3269. 800-792-3269 to get your MyPillow 2.0 now. They're here to shed light on the truth every day. Clay Travis and Buck Sexton. When you're at home, you can always listen to KFC. That's your smart speaker. Google and KFDK on 5 Radio, tracking and easy to pair content. Somebody said, to support civil projects while earning federally tax-free income to go to E-Free. College presidents are municipal bonds. Are you looking to bridge the gap between the income of your working years and the income needed in retirement? Municipal bonds might provide the solution you're looking for. Adrian is a leading specialist in tax-free municipal bonds and has provided investors with quality service and personal attention since 1990. Call now to receive their informative bond guide absolutely free. Dial 1-800-761-9761 to learn how to earn retirement income while keeping your taxes at bay. Just dial 1-800-761-9761 for a copy of their informative bond guide for free. No cost, no obligation. 1-800-761-9761. Hanging in Wall Street. Member FINRA, FIPC. What's for dinner? Burgers?
After last week, no thanks.
Avoiding foods due to fear of diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, or loose oily stools? It may not be just stomach issues. It could be EPI, or exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. EPI can cause uncomfortable symptoms because it's a condition where the pancreas doesn't release enough digestive enzymes to break down food. But EPI can be managed. Use the system checker on identifyepi.com and talk to your doctor about your symptoms. That's identifyepi.com. Sponsored by AbbVie.
Democrats just want to win the next election, and they're trying to do it with ceaseless money printing. They do not care if the value of your retirement is sacrificed. Hi, Stephen K. Bannon. It is critical to protect your retirement right now with a Gold IRA from Birch Gold Group. To learn more, get a free info kit on Gold IRAs by texting the word Safeguard to 989898. There's nothing to buy and no obligation at all. Text the word Safeguard to 989898 and get Gold.
Homeowner Robert S. Azevedo for Hall's Window Center.
I grew up on ranches. I remember looking out that picture window, and I really wanted to replicate that. Working with Hall, they did it beautifully.
Take it from me, Kitty O'Neill. Get on Hall's appointment calendar today. Purchase now and enjoy $150 off per window and $500 off per patio door.
We were very pleased with the outcome and the service that Hall provided.
Schedule your appointment at hallswindowcenter.com today. Take your home from ordinary to extraordinary with Cortopassi Tile and Stone. Cortopassi's huge selection of stone, porcelain, and glass, coupled with over 60 years of experience in high-end design, makes your home improvement dream a reality. Visit their showroom in Sacramento. Cortopassi Tile and Stone.
Latest from every time you look now. Inflation. Check in 3, 4, 5 times today.
They just getting ready for any potential blackout.
Sacramento news, traffic, and weather station. All those prices. KFBK News Radio 93.1 FM, 1530 AM. When you're at home, you can always listen to KFBK. Just tap your smart speaker. Alexa, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
Now, come up here in a couple of minutes. We're going to be talking a bit about the Minnesota, not to be confused with Montana. Very different place. I know. Lieutenant Governor of Minnesota, Peggy Flanagan, she talked about the transgender child issue, and I wanted to continue to be as clear as I can on this. They are, the Democrats, the left, are the ones that are making this an issue. They keep pushing. They push, we say, stop being crazy, and they say, why are you focusing on this? But you keep making it a thing. And you demand that we go along with lunacy, and you say things that aren't true, and you try to use the force of the state to do it. So no, we're not going to go along with it. But I also like to talk about happy things, as much as I possibly can here. Happy things, not just the fight, not just the important battles that we face as a country, internally and externally. Governor Ron DeSantis, run up the scoreboard. He is the scoreboard governor, okay? You look at what he's done, you look at what he's accomplished, and kind of speaks for itself. He's also got this going now. He has a super majority in the, I think it's a super majority, definitely a full-fledged Republican majority top to bottom in the state legislature. I think it's a super majority. And he called for constitutional carry. This was back at the March 7th State of the State address, play clip 1.
We also understand that part of fighting crime is to protect Floridians' right to defend themselves. A constitutional right should not require a permission slip from the government. It is time we join 25 other states to enact constitutional carry in the state of Florida.
This is, I'm told by everybody down here, going to happen, meaning that you will have the ability to concealed carry and without a license. And you also have reciprocity with other states that have concealed carry, constitutional carry provisions. This is completely logical, reasonable policy. And you have to wonder, why isn't this the case in any other state that could get this done? A lot of them have, but more certainly should. Look, I'm all of it. I think firearm safety is absolutely essential. And everybody who is ever going to place hands on a firearm should have, whether it comes from, a dad or a mom, or it comes from someone at the range, really come up on firearm safety. That's going to be especially important if you're going to conceal carry your constitutional rights. But this is just another instance, and it's coming down here in Florida, another instance of getting stuff done instead of talking about stuff. And I think that's something that we really need to focus in on with our Republican politicians. By the way, the numbers on Kevin McCarthy, looking pretty good. A lot of people feel like he got the message. We'll talk about that coming up in a little bit. Small business owners are getting a break from the IRS in the form of a tax refund. If you've been in business for 3 years or longer, and you've survived both the pandemic and the inflation we're all contending with, there's a tax refund for you. GetRefunds.com knows how to help you access this little-known tax refund from the IRS. They know the ins and outs of something called the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC. Go to getrefunds.com to get started. And in less than 8 minutes, see if your business qualifies for ERC assistance. Your business may be eligible for a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee kept on payroll during COVID-19. GetRefunds.com has already helped clients claim over $3 billion in payroll tax refunds through the ERC. There's no upfront charge. They don't pay until you get paid, or they don't get paid, rather, until you get paid. Go to GetRefunds.com. GetRefunds.com. Check out today. See if your business qualifies at GetRefunds.com.
Your latest news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, and everywhere on the iHeartRadio app.
At 10:30, I'm John Bernizzi with your top stories on KFBK News Radio. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says the banking system remains sound. It comes after Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank failed. Meanwhile, San Francisco-based First Republic Bank was reportedly considering a sale after a credit rating cut. But the Wall Street Journal is reporting some big U.S. banks are in talks to provide aid. New gas water heaters will be banned in the Bay Area in the near future due to pollution that they cause.
Resulting in dozens of early deaths and a wide range of health impacts, particularly in communities of color.
Bay Area Air Quality Management District officials also said the ban applies to new gas water heaters only. The Air Quality Management District Board voted Wednesday to ban the sale of the gas water heaters after 2026. And power outages are hitting Northern California hard still. One school principal said their school reopened Thursday, but the power is still out.
This is the safest place for kids to be. Families still have to go to work even though we don't have power. So we want to make sure that our kids have a safe place to be, and this is it.
The schools in the Bay Area reopened Wednesday due to the power outages. Pacific Gas and Electric officials said their crews are working to restore power across Northern California. At the latest check, 49,000 PG&E customers still waiting for the power to return, mostly in Santa Clara and San Mateo counties. Traffic and weather together. Here's Roy Lamello.
Reports of a two-car crash. This would be northbound 99 at 47th Avenue. Looks like it's in the center divide, causing just a little bit of a delay through the area. Once you get past that, not too bad, making our way up towards 50. Speaking of 50 going westbound, looks like we have a crash in the over to the shoulder. This is be westbound 50 just before 65th Street. That's backing up to Howe Avenue. Also reports of another accident westbound 50. This is near 16th Street. They're trying to clear this off the third lane from the left. That has you backed up to 99. Traffic every 10 minutes. Mornings and afternoons. Roy Lamilla, KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Sunny today with low to mid-60s for highs. Light winds today and tonight. Overnight lows right around 40 under mostly clear skies. Warming up Friday with more clouds. Highs around 65, then 67 Saturday. More showers come in Saturday night and Sunday. 52 now. John Bernizzi, KFBK News Radio.
Do you have 3 ex-wives and your current trophy wife wants a life insurance policy 3 times the size of the policies you had to purchase for your previous mistakes? If so, you need to call Big Lou at Term Provider, 800-777-1979. Big Lou is intimately familiar with your problems, and if you're 50 or 60 years old and in reasonably good health, a $1 million policy should only cost about $100 to $200 per month. Big Lou may have a solution for your previous policies as well. You may even save enough money to lighten the load on your new $1 million policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you, except he's only on number 2. Call Term Provider at 800-777-1979. That's 800-777-1979. For $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. 800-777...